Imagine wading through shallow tropical waters, and just beneath the surface, a graceful, flat-bodied creature glides silently over the sandy bottom like a living kite. This is the stingray, one of the ocean's most elegant and misunderstood animals. With its fluid movements, unique adaptations, and famous stinger, the stingray is a fascinating creature of the sea. Today, we're diving into the world of stingrays to uncover their secrets, their role in the ecosystem, and how they protect themselves. First, let's talk about their appearance. Stingrays are easily recognized by their flat, disc-like bodies and long, whip-like tails. Their smooth, wing-like pectoral fins make them look as if they're flying underwater. Stingrays can range in size from the tiny short-tail stingray, which is just a few inches wide, to the massive giant freshwater stingray, which can grow over 15 feet across and weigh more than 1,000 pounds. Their colors vary too, often matching the sandy seafloor to provide excellent camouflage from predators. One of the most famous features of the stingray is its venomous stinger, located on its tail. This stinger is used for defense, not for hunting. When threatened, the stingray can flick its tail upward, delivering a painful sting to predators or unwary humans. The venom in the stinger can cause intense pain and swelling, but stingrays are not aggressive by nature. They are shy creatures that prefer to avoid confrontation and will only sting if they feel cornered or threatened. Let's dive into how stingrays hunt. Stingrays are bottom dwellers, spending much of their time gliding along the ocean floor in search of food. They are carnivorous, feeding on small fish, crustaceans, and mollusks. To find prey buried in the sand, stingrays use specialized sensors called ampullae of Lorenzini, which detect the electrical signals emitted by other animals. Once they locate their prey, they use their strong, flat mouths to crush shells and dig into the sand. One of the most interesting things about stingrays is their relationship with their environment. Many species are perfectly adapted to blend into their surroundings. By lying flat on the seafloor and covering themselves with sand, stingrays can become nearly invisible to predators and prey alike. This camouflage is essential for their survival in the wild, as it allows them to avoid detection from larger predators like sharks. Stingrays are part of the elasmobranch family, which means they're closely related to sharks. Like sharks, stingrays have a skeleton made of cartilage instead of bone, making them lightweight and flexible. Their gills are located on the underside of their body, and they often have spiracles, small openings near their eyes, that allow them to breathe while resting on the seafloor. One of the more fascinating stingray species is the manta ray, which, while not technically a stingray, shares many similarities with them. Manta rays are filter feeders, swimming gracefully through the open ocean with their mouths wide open to capture plankton. While most stingrays are bottom dwellers, manta rays are built for open water living, showcasing the incredible diversity within the ray family. Despite their importance in marine ecosystems, stingrays face numerous threats. Overfishing, habitat destruction, and pollution are all major concerns. In some areas, stingrays are hunted for their meat and cartilage, while in others, their habitats are being destroyed by coastal development and human activity. Stingrays are also vulnerable to bycatch, where they are accidentally caught in fishing nets intended for other species. One of the most famous encounters with stingrays happens at Stingray City in the Cayman Islands, where these animals interact with humans in shallow waters. While these interactions can be a unique way to connect with marine life, it's important to approach them responsibly and respect their natural behaviors. Stingray tourism has helped raise awareness about these animals, but it's crucial to ensure that such activities are sustainable and don't harm the stingrays or their habitat. Before we wrap up, let's recap. Stingrays are graceful, flat-bodied relatives of sharks, known for their long tails and venomous stingers. They play a vital role in marine ecosystems by keeping populations of crustaceans and mollusks in check, and their ability to camouflage and detect prey is remarkable. While they have a fearsome reputation due to their stingers, stingrays are shy and non-aggressive creatures that contribute greatly to the balance of life in the ocean. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of stingrays, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing marine life. And tell me in the comments, would you be brave enough to swim with stingrays, or would you prefer to admire them from a distance?